Next full week is gonna be lit. We're reviewing all these boxes here. I'm reviewing all these boxes here. Sneaker boxes, of course. I would recommend you guys definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can get notified of when I post these. And let's get to shoe number one. What's up, y'all? Hope you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving weekend, watching college football, eating a lot of leftover turkey, and interacting and mingling with family and friends and stuff of that nature. This is what the season's for. But today we're going to be doing a review of an iconic shoe. It's the Nike Air Max Air Force 2. And I have the best colorway in this shoe kind. So I would definitely want you guys to stick around to the end of the video so you guys get to see it. There's a link in the description as well where you can acquire these shoes. These are hard to find, so you are gonna have to make do when you find them, or if you're really looking for a pair of this sort. So let me not hesitate and get into the video further, okay? Let's get into it, guys. All right, guys. It's a Nike box in question. It's a pretty old, dated shoe. I always keep them in the box that they originally come in. I have a question for you guys. Do you think I should invest into sneaker storage boxes? Let me know in the comments below so we can get this going. But the shoe in question that we're going to be doing a review of today is the Nike Air Force Max 2. Nike Air Force Max 2 is actually a very iconic shoe. If you remember, Charles Barkley used to wear Nike Air Force Max. Those big looking, bulky Air Maxes, but this one's very sleek, very nicely designed. Let me open the box so you can show you. This is pretty much the shoe in question. It's a very sleek shoe, and I have the best colorway of its kind, to be honest with you. All the other colorways are cool, but nothing tops this one. As you can see, the gray on it has actually a multicolor thingy on that's blinging off of it. As you can see, if you turn it around, you get different kind of colors, and the bubble is huge. The bubble comes all the way, almost all the way to the toe box. That's how cool it is. And like I said, I wear my shoes. This is a shoe I wear frequently, or if not often. There's also actually a strap for your foot strap right there. And this is the front tongue of the shoe in itself. As you can see, the Air Force Max 2. This is the toe box. The toe box actually consists of this piece of plastic or polyurethane, fiberglass kind of thingy, but it fits the bill. If you wear this in the cold, your feet will not get cold. I promise you that. I've worn these in the cold before without any problem whatsoever. And the fabric in this shoe is exceptional. And it has a engineered to be exact specification of championship athletes on it as well, which makes it kind of cool. It has a saying on it. And the interior of the shoe in itself has the tongue, and the tongue is long and doesn't come out as much, but it's very long. It's very, very nice material, very, very cushiony, very, very soft on your feet with the purple insoles. Super, super cool. And in the interior is where you'll find the barcode of the shoe in itself, along with the sizing and all of that cool stuff that's there. And the Nike swoosh sign is actually embedded onto the fabric of the shoe. So this shoe is multi-layered in fabric. So it's a fabric shoe, but it's multi-layers. If it's raining, your feet won't get soaked. Like, you know, the Vapor Max, your feet immediately get soaked. That's not the case with this shoe here. And the bubble in itself is well protected and all around the shoe. As you could see, it's 360 all around the shoe. And the bottom of the shoe in itself, as you can see, I've worn it, so it's a little dirty. It has the pivot round over here, and obviously for your same kind of pivot round in the heel along with a rectangular or whatever weird shape that is. But this shoe here is very, very dope. I love wearing this shoe because it gives me stability with the strap, and the way it's designed with the plastic strap holder and also lace holder as well. The plastic lace holder actually goes through the laces, and also the laces go through the core of the shoe as well. So it holds your feet very, very well in it. You can wear these for basketball. You can wear these for fashion. Obviously, I choose to wear these for fashion as much as possible. When I get another pair, which I plan on buying another pair in that same colorway, I will actually transfer these to play basketball in. But as for right now, I strictly wear them for fashion. So these will get graduated to basketball sneakers for sure. So actually, the link for this shoe is also in the description below. You can't actually miss it. Just check it out. And we're going to move into the on-foot version of the review in itself. We're going to do a full thorough review of the shoe, how it fits on my feet, and all of that. So let's get into that part. All right, guys? All right, here's the on-foot review part of the video. And I'm going to do something different this time around. I'm going to put the shoe in my foot, put it in my feet, and show you guys how easy it is to put on. It's almost a slip-on type of situation right there. All you do is unstrap it and slip it right on. Onto your feet like so. You strap it back. And you're ready to rock. Lace your shoe. You're ready to rock. So it's a very easy shoe to put on and take off. As you can see, this is the toe box part. My toes are able to wiggle in the shoe very, very easily. And I have room to move around. The reason I always get a hop size up is because I need a little room to move around. Not on the sides, but in the front. I want my shoes to have a little give to them. So I'm going to show you how it looks on my feet. All right, here we go. This is the front of it. As you can see, toe box is very nice. This is the inside part. This is the back of the shoe in itself. You can't go wrong with that. This is the other side with the swoosh sign. You only get a swoosh sign on the others. You only get a swoosh sign on one side of the shoe. But super, super comfortable, super grippy. Perfect for basketball, perfect for fashion. As you can see right now, I'm wearing blue jeans with it. Looks dope. So, hey guys, I want to thank you guys for rocking with me. Stanley's Reviews. I've reached 4,500 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but it's definitely a milestone. So I appreciate each and every one of you for sticking by me and actually helping me grow within this YouTube space. But my goal this year is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me by subscribing, sharing with your friends, and also liking and commenting on the videos, that would be greatly appreciated. And I have a video coming up right here that's also part of my library, so you guys can check that out as well. I want to thank you guys once again for watching this video, and I have more content coming your way. Enjoy, guys. Peace. I'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, thank you.